Hey guys, this is Prashant here. Welcome to my YouTube page. And today is my first video. So, my first video is about my bridge, the command center. So, let's start the first video with the bridge tour. So, let's see the bridge tour. Okay, guys, so today we see the wheelhouse, which we call the bridge, the command center, the brain of the vessel. When we coming to the center console, where we can see we having many navigational equipments for making the safe voyage of the vessel. So let's start with the first equipment, which is right there, named as VHF, very high frequency, which can reach up to 40 nautical miles. Here we having the next equipment is T-water system. Next equipment is handheld VHF. Handheld VHF is limited communication throughout the ship. The radar for making the position of other ship, very important. Hand control for steering. Here we having the steering gear panel also, which we have the joystick and having two steering gear panels, as you can see, number 1, number 2. GPS for global positioning system, can take the position from throughout the globe. The gyrometer, gyro compass. The gyro compass is important for taking the direction of the vessel. Here we having one more compass, which is named as magnetic compass. Here we having bridge watch, the rudder and the wind data, rudder, wind data and bridge watch. This we having the bridge indicating unit, from where we can give the RPM to the engine. This we having engine telegraph, which is linked directly to the engine chat burn. Radar number 2 for same the position of the other vessel. The intercom for communication. We having the token system when we talk with the engine room. Here we having one more equipment, which is VHF number 2, which is also reach up to 40 nautical miles. We having the SALT, which is the radar transponder. We having the radar transponder port side and the starboard side of the vessel. We having no smoking zone. Here we having the manually operated call point or the fire alarm, which we have to break the grass to make the fire alarm. We having the CO2 fire extinguisher all over the ship. Here we come to the chart desk. Chart desk having the chart, which is very important for making the safe voyage passage plan. Officer makes the passage plan from one country to another country with this chart only. We having some equipments right here: AIS, DGPS, eco sounder, barometer, fire alarm system and general alarm system. Coming to the AIS, it is automatic identification system, DGPS for positioning, echo sounder for the depth of the water, fire alarm system for making the alarm, barometer for pressure and general alarm system is right here. Here we having the navigational light panel for making the lights throughout the ship at the night time throughout the voyage. We having the books right here for making the passage plan, which is very important for the officers to work. Here we having the HF radio which can reach up to 100 nautical mile, NBDB terminal system, fire control plan, damage control plan, and life saving arrangement for emergency. Coming to the bridge wing, we can see here also have many equipments. When we stand here, we can see the size of the ship. Here down here we having the gangway. If you see little upside, we can see here the Monkey Island, we having the navigational lights. Coming to the equipment, we having EPIRB, emergency position indicating radio beacon. Here we having the gyro repeater for taking the bearing of celestial body. Here we having the lifeboat all over the ship. This is the quick mechanism for releasing the lifeboat. Here we having the fire hose box in which we used to keep fire hose for any emergency. So you can